Hi, thank you for watching the video. Today we will demonstrate the integration between the RAK tracking device and SpaceDF platform, bringing together hardware and the platform into the one complete IoT solution. And today I will use the RAK2270 for the demonstration. Besides it, I also have the traditional, the non-one gateway, but this is the indoor for testing only. And besides it, we also need to complete some of the setup like configure the lower one gateway and configure on the chip start. And for sure, we also need to complete some of the setup for the SpaceDF platform as well. Yeah, so let's go. But before going into the details, I will say a little bit about how SpaceDF will work. So we will have the RAS sticker at here. And the RAS stickers will send the message to the lower one gateway. I'm using the Draghi node here, and from the Draghi node, it will go to the chip start server, and from the chip start server, it will transform the message into our MPA service, and from the MPA service, we will go to the magical layer at here, that is the transformer, and after that, it will show and visualize the data, the location of the device, and everything related to the device into our SpaceDF. And we call that is the digital twin view, the dashboard. And as you can see it here, so in fact, we don't need, sometimes we don't have the chipset server. So how we can call and integrate with the SpaceDF? So that's the reason why we have the MPA service, and we call the MPA service that is the multiple protocol adapter. So that means it not only work with the chip stack, but it also able to work with the Team network or Helium, and even that is your API backend, it also able to work with. And besides HTTP protocol here, we also support for the MQTT, WebSocket, and some other. So we will back to the demonstration, but the first thing I need to flood the Dragino gateway. Yeah, here we are. So you can see the server address. I will forward the message into our chipstart server, and on chipstart servers, we will verify a little bit about the applications we have. I have the application that is the SpaceDF Master Utility Organization, and this is my RAK device. And besides it, we also have the integration point here. From here, we are able to configure HTTP, but we will back to the SpaceDF first. Now I will log in. I will create the new organization. We can call it the RAK sticker demos. Okay. And from here you can see beside the smart fleet monitoring, smart fleet tracking system, we also have some of the other like the smart building, the smart factories, or smart home, kind of thing like that. But for now we only have one, that is the smart fleet monitoring template. So we can create a new organization. Yeah, we go to the organization management and pick this one, pick in the demonstration organization I have just created, and add the new device manually. And from here, as you can see, we will support for a lot of the device brands make a model, but for now I will pick the RAK2270. I will input some of the information of the device, the dev UI, join UI, and the app key. Okay, So as you can see it here, we have the publish device toggle. This one, in some case, you want to publish the device, your own device, something like, well, you have the water level sensor, you can publish it and share with the community. And from here, I will pick the network, daddy, chipset, copy, and back here to configure for the endpoint of the organization, and save, and next. Yep, we are already able to create the new device. So I will go back here for the organization list and click on this one. This is the application for the end user. Get started. Yeah. I will also log in one more time at the user. Yes, I will move the map. Yes, because I'm based in the Danan City, so that's the reason why we're here. I will also need to add the device one more time because I am the user for now. Add the device. So as you can see, we can onboarding the device by the QR code, but this time I will use manually. Okay. I will also set a name for the device. Yep, and change to the DF flash sticker. Add the device. Okay. So as you can see, I'm still not set up the battery for the device yet. So this time, yeah, I will. Okay. And we will go to check the log on Dragonal Gateway. Yeah, we have just had the new log. And go to chip server. Go to the device. Pick the device. And go to the event tab. Yeah, as you can see, we have just had the new telemetry message from the device. And back to the SpaceDF platform. Yep. Can you see the device is showing on the map right now? That is how we integrate and showing and visualize the device. It's quite good, right? So if you have any question or comment, please leave the comment below, and yeah, we can catch up. Thank you so much for your watching.